So we and my class would come to Blue Lagoon and we have lots of fun. Yeah, I came on a boat, me and my friends. So yeah. And there was a truck waiting for us, 3 trucks here, and we came for Blue Lagoon and we sleep on tent, me and my friends.
We've done different activities like tie-dyeing and fishing and doing weaving and stuff like that.
Came here to Blue Lagoon and we went to fishing and had a ride with the helicopter.
Go on the chopper ride, and me and my friends was excited, and thank for a pilot to taking us on the chopper.
This week I came to camp and I really enjoyed it.
I was having fun with my friends and playing footy.
It means like coming back home and stuff like that. Like it's kinda like I don't know. It's like kinda good and stuff. Like it feels nice to come back to where you're from and stuff. Yeah.
We have to learn our culture. It's so good and important.
It's like really important to know your culture and like how to learn from it and stuff like that. It's fun, and listening to the old people telling stories back then, and yeah, like how it's going to be.
I like to pass what I learned to my little sister because my grandmother is home to this land.
Yeah, it's important to learn our culture and doing the weaving so we can grow up, so we can teach our kids.
Thank you for looking after us and taking us out on country. Thank you for letting us come here and making it happen, and helping us like doing a thing and telling us what to do and not to do.
We are the girls from Aragon. This is Tamika. I'm Althea, and at the back there's Makita. We are the Kang girls. We fly to Blue Lagoon. We are coming here for do interview. Fly to the Kang. We are living in Aragon. Then we go to sleep in the tent. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Then we are gonna come here and laughing at us because we're doing rapping. And then mic drop.
That's how you roll.
That's how you do it.
That's it. Can I?
to Mangkatam. Tamika, video mana? My art, anong kaya tatana?
You see that Burton?
Ni my at an tatana inan pali anak.
We're gonna have to remember this place.
Go. I want Shakira. Everyone's invited.